How to track order on HelloFresh. For this, go ahead and open a browser and search for hellofresh.com. Once you are in the home page, make sure to log in to your HelloFresh. To purchase a plan or an order, go ahead and select your plan. Then tap on Purchase. Firstly, you have to enter your payment method, your personal information, and your delivery address. You can select a designated date, time, and day as well. Now, once you have successfully placed an order, to track your order, all you have to do is open your Gmail account first and foremost. For that, go ahead and open your Gmail. While you are opening up your Gmail, let me go ahead and summarize you about HelloFresh. HelloFresh is a meal kit delivery service that provides pre-proportionate ingredients and easy-to-follow recipes to your doorstep. With a variety of meal options to choose from, each week HelloFresh makes cooking delicious and nutritious meals at home that is convenient and enjoyable. Now moving on with the video. In your Gmail, I want you to search for HelloFresh email. It should provide you with a tracking link. If you tap on it, it will also provide you with a tracking code. If you want to track it live, just tap on Track Your Delivery, where it will take you to the new page, where it will let you know if it's processing or on the road or has been delivered. The good thing about this is, once it is delivered, it will also send you the photograph of your delivery as well. You can live track by checking out the map right here attached to your mail as well. So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.